Question 18. Factorize a squared plus 9a plus 8. Let's write it out. A squared plus 9a plus 8. Now, like done in the previous question, we have to look for two numbers that will multiply themselves to get you the constant, which is 8. And when you add the same numbers, they give you plus 9. That's the coefficient of the a. So the sum should give you plus 9. The product should give you plus 8. So we start with products. What are the two numbers that you multiply to get 8? So we have 2 times 4 will give you 8. Then 1 times 8 will also give you 8. To know which one will give you 9, you can just simply add the two of them and subtract the 2. You can start with adding 2 plus 4, that will give you 6. 4 minus 2, taking the bigger number before the smaller one. 4 minus 2 will give you 2. These 2 can give you 9. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to add them together to give you 9. Sometimes you subtract because one of them might be negative, the other might be positive. And looking at 8 and 1, when we add the two of them together, 8 plus 1 will give you 9, and 8 minus 1 will give you 7. That means the one that can give us the answer to the sum will be 8 and 1. So we've narrowed it down to 8 and 1. 8 times 1 will give you 8. Then 8 plus 1, or 1 plus 8 will give you 9. So 8 and 1 will solve this question. That means we've successfully broken down plus 9a into two values that when we add them together, they'll give you plus 9. That's the coefficient of a. And when you multiply them, they give you plus 8. So we have 8 and 1. We can write it as a squared plus 1a, is 1 and 8. 1a plus 8a plus 8. On the next line, we group them in twos. You have a squared plus a. Rather than write 1a, you can write a in one bracket. Then the second bracket plus 8a plus 8. These two, what's common in them? You have a in this place and you can get a from these two. So you bring out the a that is common. If you take out 1a from these two a, that's a squared is a times a over a divided by this a. This a cancels this a, you'll be left with a. The second term is plus a, so you write out plus a divided by the a you brought outside that is common in both of them. The a will cancel the a, you'll be left with 1. So this will be plus 1 in close bracket. It's like saying 1a. When you cancel the a, you'll be left with 1. In the second bracket, what's common in both of them? You have 8 common in both of them. You can find 8 in 8a and can find 8 in 8 itself. So you bring out plus 8. You have your bracket open. Then you divide 8a by 8. On our rough side, you have 8a divided by 8. 8 cancels 8. You'll be left with a. Then you have plus 8 divided by plus 8 or 8. Plus 8 divided by plus 8. This plus 8 divided by this 8 outside of plus 8. Plus divided by plus is plus. Then 8 divided by 8 is 1. So you have plus 1. Close bracket. Looking at this, you see that you have the same values in both brackets. So that means you're on the right part, you're correct. And you pick one of them, you have a plus 1 in one bracket. You close the bracket. And in the second bracket, you put the two values outside the bracket in one bracket together. A plus 8. You have a plus 8 in one bracket. This is our final answer. From the options, our answer is C. A plus 1 in one bracket and in another bracket a plus 8.